Hello again. So today what we are doing is we're running a basic task scheduler, the creation of a task and the task scheduler on Windows Server 2012 R2. That will be a quick demo that I am doing for you. The exercise for you to will be to follow the steps in this demo on your own, and then also capture some screenshots of the steps and then post those screenshots under a discussion folder that I will be creating on Blackboard for you. So again, we are going to utilize a Windows Server 2012 R2 virtual machine to do the demo. So I have the Windows Server 2012 desktop here. All I need to do is just click on the Start menu, go under Administrative Tools, and then under Administrative Tools, you're going to look for Task Scheduler. You open that up. You will not see any tasks listed under your library other than the default, the first one that is listed here. This is one that is given to you by Windows Server 2012. It's nothing that you created in the past. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to right click on this task scheduler library and then create a basic task. Here you can give it a name. So for example, test task number 1 Gonzalez. So this is a demo. That will be the description that we are going to place in the description field. Then we click on next, and we are going to select daily as the frequency for the task, and then click on next again. For the time when the task will be triggered, we know that it is 2:28 p.m. Pacific time. Just make sure that you go by the time on the virtual machine, which may be different from the time that you have on your computer. So let me select 2:30 as the time, and let me go back to 0 seconds. 2:30 p.m. sharp. This task will run. We click on next, and then we are going to select the task that is going to be performed, and that is starting a program for the purposes of the demo. Here we are going to browse and we are going to look for a program. So we can go under local C drive program files, and then you can go to Windows Mail as one example, and then select WAB, that is an executable under Windows Mail, the address book, the Windows address book. So we are going to click on open, and we are going to leave the default for these two fields and go to next. And this is a summary of what we have created, which is the name of the task, the description, the time for when the task will be triggered, and the program that will be open. So we click on finish, and it is ready to go. So now it is going to run at 2:30 p.m. sharp. So we are going to minimize this window and see what happens. It is 2:29 p.m. on the clock that you can see on the bottom right hand of the screen. 2:29 p.m. It is supposed to run at 2:30, so it's going to take a few seconds for the task to run, and what you're going to see is the opening of the application that we selected, and there you go. So this is the address book for Windows. It opened automatically. I didn't touch anything, so it is part of the automated process that the task scheduler performed for us. So this is a simple demo in which you have a program that is opening on its own without user intervention, because the sequence of steps and the time of the day and the day itself was selected by the user when the user was creating the task under task scheduler. So there are many other options that you can do under task scheduler. For example, export event file information from your server when you are troubleshooting a server and you want to know any error messages that may come up every hour or every 2 hours. You can automate those tasks rather than having a person in front of the server doing that and wasting time. So this is pretty good. Again, the task for you, pun intended, is for you to capture screenshots along the way as you are creating a task under task scheduler, and then be able to post that in the discussions folder that I will be creating for you on the Blackboard. Thank you very much.